just wanna see you smile. All arguments we had, put them in the past. Right here, right now, we see the truth at last. If you're part of my group or made a cut of my heart, we departed but we right back, making a start. All I'm asking is a minute of your time for a while, a minute of your life, I just wanna see you smile. We sort of started in 04 when rap was a fad. Back when we used to laugh, walking fast in the ghetto path. I asked God for forgiveness, instead I had a bottle in my hand full of liquor. Yet the plot thickens, cloudy days got me feeling like God's victim. I got it twisted, got me thinking I'm living to see the clock ticking. Forgot schoolwork cause school hurts, gotta work part-time to make a hard dime. Story passes over to October, tour's over. Times are getting hotter and lyrics are getting colder. I bent over backwards for bastards. I swear to God I'd rather see them dead in their caskets. That's a hard life I put behind, strive to keep with fake times. I'm tired of the shit.